We are trying to solve for x, which means getting x by itself. First thing we have to do is subtract 50 from both sides, because whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. You now have 5x equals 100, so now you want to isolate the variable to get it by itself. To do that, you divide the number next to x, which is 5, and you have your answer, x equals 20.
Here's another example. We have a fraction now, but still we are trying to solve for x to get it by itself. First, we're going to add 8 to both sides of the equation. To get rid of the fraction and get it by itself, you have to multiply each side by 7. We have to do the opposite of division, which is multiplication. And now you're left with k equals 91. Here's another example. We are aiming to get x by itself. First, you have to subtract 3 from both sides, divide by 4 each side to isolate the variable. 4 is not going to go into 14 evenly, and that's fine. 14 divided by 4 would be 3.5, so your solution is b equals 3.5.
In this next equation, you need to solve for x. You would subtract 2 from each side, then divide by 2 to isolate x. And your solution is x equals 4. In this next demonstration, some variables may have a negative sign in it. So we're going to solve for negative b. First thing we need to do is subtract 6 from both sides. Then you need to use the multiplication property of equality. You're going to multiply each side by -1. Now you need to simplify, and your answer is b equals 17.